chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel from the Behavior Check-In, and I am so excited because we are in the last week of school. This is my last Monday with students, and I'm super pumped and ready to go. I meant to talk to you all this morning, but things got crazy as they always do, and I'll be honest, I struggled to get out of bed. So I wasn't quite in the filming state of mind, but I wanted to go ahead and just let you know today is going really well. This morning we came in kind of taking it easy. We're doing a lot of ketchup and pickles this week, getting everything done so I can get my grades in. We took some sensory breaks. We've been just finishing up diagnostics for those who are absent. I have really low student numbers today. We're at 4, so that's definitely helping with the ease. We needed a break. We really needed a break. So I'm so grateful. My hair looks like a mess because it is 1,000 degrees in Florida with 1,000-degree humidity and all the pollen. So cuteness is not the look right now, but right now we're getting ready to start taking down all the stuff in the classroom, which is kind of bittersweet. Like, all the students have been like, why are you taking that down? Don't take down the superheroes. But it had to happen. They need to go up. We got to pack everything out. I am moving out of this classroom, so everything's got to go, and it's going to be super busy. So we're going to be taking things down periodically throughout the week. Goodbye, superheroes. You are no longer here. Empty wall. We have this wall over here. I took down this bulletin board, so it is empty. Some of our other little signs are empty. I'm not getting all the main stuff off yet. I still kind of want to gradually take stuff down because I know that the students start to get really wild when you totally take apart your room. But just little things. Obviously, we still need our voice levels. So voice levels will be up for the next few days, and our rules will probably be the very last thing to come down because we always need a reminder. Same with our schedule. Ignore this. We were watching a movie about ants while we were taking things down because the students are really interested in ants. And of course, we're going to keep our calendar. I'm really excited because our bucket with positive words to our friends is getting really full. They're getting very close to their treat. My student artwork, I have packed that up to save for later, trying to get some of the curriculum books out as well. Goodbye, superheroes. They were ripping in half when we were taking them off the wall, so it's had all these years of superheroes. But if you've been following my channel for a while, you know they've been in all my classrooms, but they have finally kicked the bucket. I think I got my money's worth on them, but goodbye, superheroes. We can't have any decapitated superheroes in the classroom, and I'm not going to need them anyway. So I've already moved some things home. I still have this beanbag chair. I think I'm keeping it. The other ones are going in the dumpster. I couldn't get them clean and they're nasty. So it's such a shame. So much stuff is getting thrown away. Happy Tuesday. I feel like my lens is messed up. Vlogged a lot this morning because it has not been super exciting. We've just been finishing up missing work because everybody's just on the struggle bus trying to get everything done. So been finishing that up. But on the good news, I am super excited to report I am officially done with grades. All my grading is complete, so I got that done today. I have almost all of my diagnostics done. Just one little buddy didn't want to finish up the diagnostics, so we're kind of still holding out on that. But I'm at lunch, enjoying it. I have my to-do list for today. My goals to finish the grades, finish progress reports, and then call and get some of my parent surveys done. I also want to get more things off the wall, I think my letters and my numbers, and that's kind of the objective for today, try to get some things out. So here's my mission if I choose to accept it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I'm trying to declutter, so I'm My whole classroom is going to fit in these 4 Sterilite tubs. This is the goal I've made for myself. If it does not fit in these tubs, it is going to be donated or going into trash. I'm trying to downsize and be a little bit more minimalist. I'm just so sick of having so much stuff. I'm trying to streamline it. My goal is to label these. I got them clear so I could see what's inside. So many years I have no clue what's inside, and I don't know. I'm just sick of the disorganization. So that is the objective. So the plan for today is we have this really short period behind us that you can kind of see before my students go off to PE, where we do a math calendar. We've done math stuff already today. So I think we're going to finish up our ants nature video that we've been watching kind of for science. So they're going to do that. I'm going to work probably on some progress reports and some paperwork stuff I need to do. And then my students are going to go to PE. Then the goal is to play some Kahoots or maybe some other math games. I think we're going to do Kahoot. The students really like it. So we'll do Kahoot this afternoon. And then my students will go into earn time. As you can see, I'm not doing a very good job with the earn time. And that is where I plan to take some more things off the wall. Then we will pack up, go home, and then I will make some of those phone calls, finalize some of my paperwork stuff that I can't really do when they're in here because I can't focus. And get out of here. I'm really hoping to bring those 4 containers. Well, no, I'll bring them home on Friday. I will probably just live out of 4 containers because I want to put everything in that's not mine in the shelves so they are stored with this room.
Happy Wednesday. I'm not feeling that great, but I am powering through because that's what you do when it is the last week of school and you have a lot of stuff to get done. So my eyes are watering like crazy. I feel like all puffy, but we're just going to roll with it because that's what we got to do. And I'm going to tell myself that if I make it through today and I am strong and I am a fighter, maybe I'll go get a Starbucks or a tropical smoothie or something. But that's just how it's going to be. So the plan for the day is I still have one student who is not done with his iReady diagnostic, which is very frustrating. I've been trying to convince him that if he was done, we would be playing games and having fun. He's taking a sweet time. So I'm hoping that we will get that finished so that we can move on to all the fun end of the year stuff, that we can't really embark on until he gets finished. Everybody else is done. But I'm kind of at that point where I just feel awful and I'm about ready to just show a movie for the next 3 days. I can't do that. They'll get bored. But we're going to do this. Bear with me. Prayers that I am able to keep up my energy. If not, I will be drinking a lot of caffeine to make it. But we are halfway there. It is hump day. It is Wednesday. Go make it. Okay, so I just tried to start my car. It is a push button start car. And I'm like, why is my car not starting? This is not a good start to the day. I realized that it was because I left my keys and my purse and everything inside. This is how I'm starting off the day. Pray for me because we are only halfway done and I need brain cells. I have a feeling that it's going to be a lot of caffeine today, but we're going to do this. We're going to make it.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Hey guys, so I didn't update during any of my breaks today because it hasn't been, like, it's been pretty good. I'm just really tired, like I'm dragging. But I did finish the day. I got a lot done, got my smoothie. So all is right in the world. I got everything packed up. Behind me, I have like 4 tubs of stuff. The majority of my classroom is packed up and ready to go. So I'm very happy about that. Only 1.5 days left. I made the fatal mistake of playing a game today. One of my little buddies couldn't handle it at all. So I guess we are officially on movies until the end of the school year. Because I just don't have the energy. Normally I'm like, we're going to learn how to play games. We're going to learn how to be flexible thinking. But I think my flexible thinking is pretty much done at this point. I'm tired. So, random thoughts. I don't know how I collect this much stuff every single year. Like, I move classrooms every single year. I throw out so much stuff. It's ridiculous. How do I get so much stuff? I don't want any more of it. I just want all of it gone. But then I know I'll be really mad at myself in August when I get rid of stuff that I might need. I don't know. It's like this teacher hoarding mentality. And it's this vicious cycle that I go through every year. Let me know if you relate in the comments. I don't know. Do you ever feel this way? Maybe some of you were lucky and you don't move every year like I do. Every year I got to pack and I hate it. I hate it with a passion. Almost there. I'm officially at the point where I just want to take everything outside and throw it away. I can't anymore. I know I'm so close to being done, but I'm sick of it. I don't want anything else. And the kids are pretty much done. Oh my gosh, I got something going on my eye. But anyway, the kids are pretty much done. Even like the fun things aren't engaging them anymore. We're starting to have meltdowns. I think it's because of like everything's packed up and the routine's different. We are almost there. We are at lunch. We are at the halfway point. This time tomorrow, we will be done. So I think I can. I'm ready. We got this. I'm gonna eat my lunch and hopefully we'll have a pretty chill afternoon. I still have a really bad headache. It's ridiculous, but I'm fighting through. We're gonna make it. Happy Friday. It is officially the last day of school. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I made it. As you can see, I am very nasally and congested. I have been battling being sick all week, but I don't care because it is the last day of school and I am ready for all the festivities that is today. I don't have my kids with me because they are sick. So we're all just trying to survive right now. I still have my Christmas decorations for my classroom in the back. Most of everything else is loaded in my hallway. I still have a little bit to get out, but for the most part, we are packed up. We are ready to just party and get out the door. So, ready to head out, do last day of school stuff. I can't believe we made it. Oh my gosh, super excited. So, I don't know. I might need more caffeine. We'll just see how it goes. I don't know. I'm afraid like if I try to stop anywhere and get any drinks or any breakfast that the line's going to be bonkers. So I don't really know if I'm going to try that, but we'll see. Because it's still pretty early. Well, I don't know. I don't really need to be there early today. I don't know. But I do have to say, I'm pretty excited. I don't know what I'm going to do first at the end of the day. I really want to like get my nails done. They're horribly grown out, but I've told myself that I wasn't going to get them done until school was out. Kind of is like something to look forward to. But then I also want to go to the pool. And then I also want to take a nap. But I don't know. Summer's coming up. I can do all those things, right? I don't need to like pick in an order. I can just do them because I have that option. So I'm going to start my car. We're going to get on the road. We're going to get this done. We're going to have an amazing day. I'm super excited. Like I don't know, so many times did not think I was going to get here today. Like this year, y'all, this year. But I made it. We made it. Woo! can see a little bit. This shirt is from Amazon. Let me move my lanyard out of the way. It says, I love you, class dismissed. Super cute. Pants are Old Navy pixie pants. And then shoes are my Adidas. Just tennis shoes. I have to wear tennis shoes now. Yesterday, I didn't film anything, but I had to go to the podiatrist because I have plantar fasciitis. So I'm in tennis shoes now for the next 4 weeks, and she's gonna see if that helps. But my feet have been killing me, so I can't wear the cute shoes, gotta wear the tennis shoes. But this is the OOTD today. Left the calendar up just to celebrate that it is the last day of school, and that'll be coming down. Today we have some big plans. We got a pizza party, we're gonna watch a movie, some festivities for the last day, sending off the 6th graders, all of that. So it should be a great day. Super excited. So for today's to-do list, bring on the scavenger hunt checklist. Got to do these every year, big part of teacher life, but it feels so satisfying getting this checked off. I have my checks of things I've done already. I just got to go get the signatures. So I am super ready to go get this done. Some of these things don't apply to me, but super excited. We made it. The day has ended. I went back to my room. Oh my gosh, it's raining really bad in my car, so hopefully that doesn't mess up my audio, but we made it. The kids have gone home. Everybody's safe. We had a little meeting after school, found out some new announcements, and now I am going to treat myself to some lunch, maybe after this rain passes. I was not expecting that. I was gonna go to Panera. Had a good talk with my assistants, kind of reflecting on the year. It has been a wild year, but the students have shown so much growth. So I'm grateful for that. Just ready for the break, bring on the break. So I'm gonna go grab myself some lunch. Oh my gosh, I've got to show you this. It's raining horrible. Oh my gosh. Like, look at that. I don't want to go out in that. Don't make me. I may just have to sit in here and like watch some videos or something before I go out, because this is not the vibe, but I don't want to get wet. I'm looking cute, I think, and I don't want to get wet. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I get brave. I left my raincoat in my classroom. I still have to go back on Tuesday, so I'm gonna get the rest of my little stuff in there since I do have to go back. So I'm still gonna go back because we have to turn in our keys and everything, so I figured I'll just grab the rest of that stuff then, because I still have people in my office and company. I still have company in my office, and I don't really have a place for everything, and I'm kind of sick of it being out in the hallway. So my company is leaving this weekend, so I'll be able to move everything up there. So I decided to keep everything in the building for now, and I'll grab it on Tuesday.